Hi guys, myself Ankita. In this video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Number complement. So complement of an integer is an integer you get when you flip all the zeros to 1 and all the ones to zeros in its binary representation. So for example, if the integer 5 is given and its binary format is 101. So how do we get the binary format? I hope you guys know that. So if I given a number, it represented in binary format means 2 powers. So 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. 2 power 0 is 1, 2, 2 power 3 is 8. Okay, here it should be 2 power 2 also. So let me just write this as 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8. So if a number is 5, its binary representation will be 4 plus 1 will be 5. So what at position 4 and 1 you give a bit 1 and the remaining bit will be 0. So it's basically 0 1 0 1, that is nothing but 101. So the binary representation of 5 is 101. You have to return the integer such that you have to flip the bits of the binary representation of the given number. If you flip the bits of 101, it will give you result of 1010. So 010. So 010 is nothing but it represents 010. So that means 2 power 1 is active. So that is nothing but 2. 2 is the integer which you need to return. So how do we solve the problem? So first what we'll do is and a given constraint, they have said the minimum number that can occur is 1. There is no 0. So we will have a variable called mask. Okay, we'll set this to 1. Until this integer mask becomes greater than 5, we will do the left shift operation by 1. So first we have mask left shift by 1 to OR with 1. Okay, so mask left shift by 1 will give you again, it will give you 1 0. So if you do 1 left shift by 1 position, so 1 will be left shift by 1 position. So 1 0 it will give you. If you do OR with 1, OR operation with 1, so 1 0 OR operation with 1, 0 1 will be 1 and 1 0 will be 1. So it will give you answer as 1 1. So what means, as I said, you have to make the integer mask left shift by 1 position or with 1 until it becomes greater than 5, because every bit in this mask should be 1. That's why. If you do left shift by 1, it will give you 0 as a bit over here in the least significant bit. But to make it 1, you do the OR operation with 1. So 1 1. So 1 1 represents settlement 2 power 0, 2 power 1. So it will be 3. Is 3 less than 5? Yes. So again left shift the mask by 1. So 1 1 left shift by 1 or operation with 1. So left shift by 1 means 1 1 0 or with 1, that will give you 1 1 1. So 1 1 1 represents 4 plus 2 plus 1, that will be nothing but 7. So is 7 less than 5? No. At this point you stop the loop. So you have the mask as 1 1 1. Now what we need to do with the given integer 1 1 1, that is nothing but representing 7. So 2 XOR with 5. So 7 XOR with the given number 5 you have to do. 5 is binary representation is 101. So as we seen here, why do we need to do the XOR operation here? As you know, XOR means, so if it is 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. So alternating bits will give you answer as 1 and the same bits will give answer as 0. That is what the XOR means, right? So why do we need XOR over here? So as you know, in the mask, all the bits are set to 1. Right? How do we set 1? By doing left shift operation or with 1. Until it is greater than 5, we take all the bits set to 1. So since we have all the bits set to 1, we have to flip in the given number 1 to 0. Right? And 0 should become 1. To flip this 1 to 0, if you do XOR with 1, 1 1 will be same. So that will be flipped to 0. Fine. Got it? Since we have 1 over here. When you do XOR with 1, since it is same, both the bits are same, it will become 0. So 1 will be flipped to 0. And then next coming to 0. 0 with 1 it will be, right? Because all the bits in the mask will be 1. Any bit with 0 will be XOR with 1 will give you 1 because 0 should be flipped to 1. So that's why we do the XOR operation. So by XOR operation, whichever bit is 1, we have to do the, if we do the XOR with 1, that will flip to 0. That is what we needed. To flip the 0 to 1, what we need to do? 0 should be XOR with 1 and we have 1 over here. So entire mask bits in the mask integer should be 1. So that by doing XOR operation with one number, you will get the flipped bit. So now if you do XOR operation, 1 XOR with 1 will be 0, 0 XOR with 1 will be 1 because different bits, and 1 XOR with 1 will be 0. So 0, 1, 0, there is nothing but 2. You have to return this answer. So at first we will have a variable called mask initialized to 1. Why? Because as we know, it's a minimum number possible. So while this mask is less than the given number, mask will be equal to first mask left shift by one position. You do OR operation with 1. Fine. So after this, at last you have to return mask to XOR operation with number. Okay. Yes. And for job also the same code. No any syntax change here it is required. So we will submit this. Yes, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with another video in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.